My beautiful plants. So happy to see you guys. You know, gotta be careful out there these days. All those pesky humans running around everywhere. Ugh, there's so many of them. You never know what they're going to do. They've covered my earth in fake rock. They pour toxic liquid into my oceans. And they pump tons of smoke and gas into my air. And ever since they started using those factories and power plants, my complexion's gotten awful. And the worst part is, I've been getting asthma attacks all the time. I can't even breathe when I'm near one of their cities. And I see them zipping around in those cars all day. With all that noise and that awful smell. Oh, I can't hardly stand it. But those humans, they seem to enjoy it. Oh, now I've gotten myself all worked up again. I can't hardly breathe. You know, you guys sure are lucky you don't get out of the forest much. Where's my inhaler? Ugh. As you can see, Mother Nature has been going through some hard times lately, but there are still things we can do to help. You could walk instead of drive. You could put a blade on your car's tailpipe to reduce your emissions. You could recycle, or you could simply turn your lights off when you're not using them, to name just a few. If we work hard to improve our ways, we could all breathe a little better. Thanks.